To adjust edge lighting width in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Tap Display. Scroll down. Tap Edge Screen. Tap Edge Panels. Enable edge lighting, tap switch until blue. Tap edge lighting style. Tap width. Drag width line to the right to wide, or drag to the left to narrow. Tap Done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.